So, after knowing about the refractive index of the medium and the refractive index of the material whenever the light ray is passing from the one medium to the another medium, then the ratio between the speed of a light in a vacuum to the speed of a light in a medium is called as a refractive index. And also here absolute refractive index is can be considered whenever the speed of a light is compared with the speed of a light in a vacuum. Means when a speed of a light in a medium is compared with the speed of a light with vacuum, then it is called absolute refractive index. Absolute refractive index means when the speed of a light in a medium is compared with the speed of a light in vacuum, then that is called as absolute refractive index. Next, we are going to know that the principle of reversibility of path of light. Then what is the reversibility path of light? Simply we can say that from the statement what the given heading principle of reversibility of path of light. What is meant by the principle of reversibility of path of light means here the principle of reversibility of path of light. Reversibility of path of light means when the light ray is traveling along the refracted path, means here when this is the normal and this is the medium 1, medium 2. When the light ray is incident on the sum of interface, normal interface, then it is with incident angle I, then it is refracted in the another medium. Whenever it changes the medium, then it is refracted. Actual path is this and refracted, this will be the refracted medium. If in case of any happened, means reversed, the same light is reversed in this angle, then whenever it will travel like this and retrace its path back, backwards, that is called as reversibility of path of light. According to this, a ray traveling along the path of the refracted ray is refracted along the path of the incident ray. Means when the incident ray is moving along the path of the refracted ray, same as a refracted ray is moving backwards, means refracted along the path of the incident ray. Here it is that whenever we are placed abstractly in that, then it is retraced back into the same refracted path and refracted into the medium. Means whenever this considered is, it's considered as rarer medium, it is considered as denser medium. When the light ray is passing from the rarer medium to the denser medium, it moves near to the normal. So here it is that the light ray moved near to the normal, and again from the denser medium to the rarer medium, the light ray is reflected. Then it is refracted at the point of incidence. Then it is moving away from. Means when the denser medium to the rarer medium is moving away from. Means it retraced its path, same as what the path it is followed, moved along this same the same path back along this direction. Means a refracted ray is reversed to travel back along its path of get refracted along the path of the incident ray. Means here incidented and refracted, whenever it is reversed, then the same path along the back along its path is the incident ray, the path of the incident ray. So here it is that. So the incident ray and refracted ray are mutually reversible. Means these are mutually reversible. Means whenever it is with making an angle with I and it is the refracted angle R, then if in case of from this medium, if it is the angle of refraction is the incident and this will be the angle of refraction, that will becomes. Means if in case of the refractive index of the second medium with respect to first one is sin I by sin R. Because of sin I means here is the I incident angle and R is the refracted angle. Means the light is incidented from the in the moving along the refracted path. When it is reversed, then 2 mu 1 means here the refractive index of the first medium with respect to this is the first medium, this is the second medium. So refractive index of the first medium with respect to second medium. Refractive index of the first medium with respect to second medium is here is the incident angle. It will becomes the refracted angle becomes the incident angle. So that's why here sin R by this is the refracted angle, that is I. So here sin I. So here is that whenever thus the two refractive indices are multiplied, means the refractive index of the second medium with respect to first medium into the refractive index of the first medium with respect to second medium is equal to sin I by sin R into sin R by sin I. Let us consider it's a equation number 1, it's a equation number 2, from 1 and 2 multiplied 1 and 2 multiplied 1 and 2, then we can get that by the cancellation of sin R to sin R, sin I to sin I, then we can get equation number 1, sorry, value number 1. So here 1 mu 2 into 2 mu 1 is equal to 1. Then whenever this the refractive index of first medium with respect to second medium taken to this side, it will becomes a denominator. So this is the mutually, both are the mutually reversible, means here it is that if you want to find the, if it given any two mediums, if you want to find the another medium's refractive index, then here it is that these two are mutually reversible. So that's why we can write that refractive index of the second medium with respect to first medium is equal to reciprocal of the refractive index of the first medium with respect to second medium. Either 2 mu 1 is equal to 1 by 1 mu 2, means the reciprocal of the refractive index of the first medium with respect to second medium, which is equal to reciprocal of refractive index of the second medium with respect to first medium. Here we can write that these two equations. This is the principle of reversibility of path of light. Once again, when the light ray is passing from medium 1 to medium 2 and it is refracted in this path, by doing reversed the ray, light ray, refracted ray, then it will follow the same angle, it will follow the same path which is refracted ray path, same path it will becomes incident and it will follow the same incident path. So here it is that it is retraced back whenever the refracted ray is reversed. So here it is the value, this is the about principle of reversibility of path of light. Once again, a ray traveling along the path of the refracted ray, the ray traveling along the path of the refracted ray is refracted along, again it is refracted along the path of the incident ray, means the incident ray is followed the refracted one. If in case of it is refracted, this will follow the incident ray, means here a refracted ray is reversed to travel back along its path, get refracted along the path of the incident ray, means here whenever the refracted ray is reversed along the to travel back along the path of the refracted path, then along the path of the incident ray that will remove, means here the incident and refracted rays are mutually reversible. From that equation we can get the value, that is 1 mu 2 is equal to 2 mu 1. Either here 1 mu 2 means here refractive index of the second medium with respect to first medium is equal to the reciprocal of refractive index of the first medium with respect to second medium. This is about a principle of reversibility of path of light. So by using this formula we can measure the refractive indexes, means here when the refractive index whenever the 2 or 3 more mediums refraction through the refraction of light between more mediums is happened when the light is incident on more mediums, like water slab, means water glass, or air to the glass, or air to the water. Here this type of happens, this type of refraction of light will happens, we will know if in case of the refraction of light in more mediums.